Injabulo ibibhalwe ebusweni kubalandeli bebegqoke imifaniswano yeqembu kanye neosombusazwe bamaqembu ahlukene.
South Africa play well. What number 3? This kid for 1996. You can see.
Thank you very much, Abafana, for making us proud.
You see, now the supporters are going to fill up the stadium.
Umdwebo sezakhele udumo uRasta ubekhona nemidwebo yabadlali. Umengameli weSAFA uDokotela uDenny Jordan ubonge umqeqeshi Hugo Bruce ngokusebenzelela kuleli ngokuzikhandla kanti umsebenzi uyaqhubeka.
He won it already with Cameroon. Did the same thing when he went to Cameroon. It was Samuel Eto'o, Rigobert Song, all of those people there. And he removed all of them, brought youngsters, and won the AFCON. And that is what we wanted here. And he did the same.
Ukapteni weBafana Ronald Williams uthi bebekhuthazana njengabadlali ukuthi badlale ngokuzimisela.
Just want to do well the next game. So I'm just proud of the boys for the brotherhood. First of all, the brotherhood we had, from day one. The spirit amongst us has been good.
Umqeqeshi weBafana Hugo Bruce ubonge ithimba losomaqhinga nesebenzi zeqembu.
I also want to thank the staff. And what I mean with this is, when you achieve something like this now, 3rd place, people are talking about the coach and people are talking about the players. But nobody talks about all those other people who work day and night nearly for 4 or 5 weeks.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uZizikodwa ubonge umqeqeshi uBruce ngokubuyisa izinsuku zenjabulo ekade zagcina ukuba khona ngeBafana.
Well, thank you, Coach, for bringing this moment of hope to the country. We haven't had this moment about Bafana in the longest time. You have brought us hope. You have brought us a game changer in football.
Umsebenzi ohlalele iqembu lesizwe manje ukubhekana nemidlalo yokuhlungela indebe yomhlaba ezosingathwa amazwe amathathu okuyiCanada, iMelika kanye neMexico ngonyaka 2026.